Space. It's the final frontier, a realm that continues to fascinate and perplex us. Imagine a place where a teaspoon of matter could weigh billions of tons, or where entire stars disappear into nothingness. Today, we're counting down the top 10 mind-blowing facts about space that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the universe. Let's dive in. Number 1. Black holes, the universe's invisible giants. Let's start with one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring phenomena in space: black holes. These cosmic giants are so dense that not even light can escape their pull. Did you know that there's a supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy called Sagittarius A? It's about 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Recent images from the Event Horizon Telescope gave us our first glimpse of a black hole, reshaping our understanding of how they work. Number 2. The biggest star known, Ui Scuti. If you thought the Sun was big, wait until you hear about Ui Scuti, the largest known star. This red hypergiant is over 1,700 times the radius of the Sun. If you placed Ui Scuti at the center of our solar system, it would stretch far beyond Jupiter's orbit. It's a stark reminder of just how vast and varied the cosmos is. Number 3. Rogue planets, drifting through the darkness. Space isn't just filled with stars and galaxies. There are rogue planets too, wandering the universe without a star to orbit. These lonely planets, adrift in the vastness of space, may actually outnumber the stars in our galaxy. Scientists speculate they could harbor hidden oceans and even the potential for life, isolated in eternal darkness. Number 4. The sound of space, a silent symphony. Did you know that space is almost entirely silent? Without air or a medium to carry sound waves, sound cannot travel. However, thanks to special instruments, we've captured the songs of planets and stars through electromagnetic waves. These haunting, eerie sounds reveal the hidden symphony of the universe, from the whooshing of Jupiter's magnetic field to the low hum of distant quasars. Number 5. The fastest thing in the universe. Light speed. Nothing in the universe moves faster than the speed of light. A staggering 299,792 kilometers per second. If you could travel at light speed, you'd circle the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. This speed limit defines our understanding of time, space, and the possibility of interstellar travel, sparking countless theories about bending space-time and faster-than-light possibilities. Number 6. The edge of the observable universe, a cosmic horizon. What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe? The furthest light we can see comes from 13.8 billion years ago, yet the universe has expanded much further than that. The observable universe is estimated to be 93 billion light-years in diameter, but beyond that cosmic horizon lies an unknown expanse, teeming with possibilities. Number 7. Time dilation, space's time machine. Time behaves differently in space. Thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, we know that time slows down as you approach the speed of light or get closer to a massive object, like a black hole. Astronauts on the International Space Station actually age a tiny bit slower than us on Earth. Imagine traveling into the future just by orbiting a planet at near light speed. Number 8. The search for extraterrestrial life. Are we alone? One of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone? With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the odds of Earth being the only life-bearing planet seem slim. Scientists are constantly searching for signs of life, whether it's microbial fossils on Mars, mysterious signals from deep space, or exoplanets in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right for life. Number 9. Cosmic background radiation, the afterglow of creation. The faint glow of the Big Bang still lingers in the universe. Known as cosmic microwave background radiation, this afterglow is a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old, only a fraction of its current age. It's the oldest light we can see, offering clues to the birth and evolution of everything around us. Number 10. Dark matter and dark energy, the universe's hidden forces. Finally, we arrive at one of the biggest mysteries in the cosmos: dark matter and dark energy. These elusive substances make up 95% of the universe, yet we can't see or directly detect them. Dark matter holds galaxies together, while dark energy drives the universe's accelerating expansion. Scientists are only beginning to unravel what these enigmatic forces are, but understanding them could change everything we know about physics. Space is filled with endless wonders, and we've only scratched the surface. From the biggest stars to the smallest particles, each discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe's greatest mysteries. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's keep exploring the infinite wonders of space together. Who knows what we'll uncover next?